It's drinking the water.
It's going to knock me off,
Come on.
Oh god, it's scary.
Zach, round here.
This is scary. Might add. Very scary. Every time they turn. Ah! This is where you get stuck. There. Stuck. Okay, I'm actually stuck. Back. I don't want to die. See, I can't even do this and I want to do skydive. Please. I'm all big-headed on. I can do this, I can do this, I can do this. Can't even climb a tree.
Ricochet, fly away, fly away. I wonder if you can camp over here. I think you're allowed. You could camp one night. Because it's not so scary if you've got a few people, is it? I don't think we're going to get any axe murders over here. But it would be scary. Especially if we did it in there. It'd be like the Blair Witch Project. It would be funny. Zach, where are you going? Butterfly.
I don't think this is. I'm sure this is the way.
I think so. I think they've got a life under there.
It's the same
You can go anywhere.
Come back soon.
Oh. I don't know. You could walk through the woods. Is that where I think it is? Maybe not. Yes, it is. He's going, look.
He's like, water!
Zach, you're crazy. You crazy boy. Don't go over there. It's muddy. He's had enough now, that's all he does. Are you finished now? Is that enough? Get back, come on, have another bath. In the water, go on. Back. Silly boy. Yeah, back in. Yeah, shake off at Emma, go on. That's funny.
I've never known a dog love it so much.
Again? Or have you had enough now? Don't go in the mud.
Zach! Zach!
Oh god, here we go. Ah! I don't know why he has to keep going in there.
Zach!
Zach! Oh, here we go.
Ah, no! No water. Come jump in the water.
Whoa.
Oh, no.
You're done now, yeah. Don't go that way because that's mud in there. Zach! Okay. I can't see you.
No, don't run to me. Go in the water. Go in the water. It's metal, she dog. Oi!
Zach!
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 Zach!